Everyone is talking about Modi's Europe visit. The photos, the meetings, the handshakes. But nobody is talking about what this trip actually means for your money, your job, and India's financial future. So today let us break down what really happened in The Hague and why every Indian should be paying very close attention. Modi just sat down with Netherlands leaders and pushed for deeper collaboration in three areas: artificial intelligence, semiconductor chips, and clean energy. And if you think this is just political news that has nothing to do with your life, let me show you exactly why you are wrong. Let us start with chips. Every smartphone you use, every laptop you own, every car being built in India today runs on semiconductor chips. And right now, India does not make them. We import almost all of them from countries that are increasingly becoming expensive and unreliable suppliers. The Netherlands is home to ASML, the single most important chip-making company in the entire world. Without ASML machines, you literally cannot make advanced chips anywhere on the planet. Modi just walked into The Hague and said, "India wants to work with you." That is not a courtesy visit. That is India trying to secure its technological future. Now let us talk about what this means for your money. If India successfully builds a domestic semiconductor industry in the next 10 years, the job creation will be unlike anything this country has seen since the IT boom of the 1990s. Chip engineers, AI specialists, clean energy technicians. These are not 10,000 rupee a month jobs. These are the highest paying careers of the next 20 years. And India is right now trying to build the foundation for all of them. Clean energy is the same story. India imports massive amounts of oil and gas paid for in dollars, draining our economy every single year. Every solar panel, every wind turbine, every clean energy plant India builds reduces that dollar outflow. The Netherlands is one of the world's leaders in clean energy technology. This collaboration is not just about the environment. It is about India slowly reducing the fuel import bill that has been squeezing the rupee and your monthly budget for decades. And then there is AI. India has the talent, the engineers, the English-speaking workforce that the world needs for AI development. This collaboration opens doors for Indian AI companies to access European markets, European funding, and European technology partnerships that were previously very difficult to reach. So what does all of this mean for you as an investor right now? Simple. Keep a very close eye on three Indian sectors: semiconductor and electronics manufacturing, clean energy and renewable stocks, and AI and technology companies. Because the seeds Modi is planting in Europe today will become the highest returning investments of the next decade in India. I am Alex, and at Alex Invests, we connect global news directly to your money. Subscribe so you never miss the financial story hiding behind the political headlines.